Welcome to our exploration of one of the most fascinating phenomena in the universe, quantum entanglement. Today, we will break down this complex topic into simple terms, exploring what Einstein called spooky action at a distance. So, what exactly is entanglement? It occurs when two or more particles become linked in a way that they share a single quantum existence. Even if you separate them by billions of miles, they remain connected. The state of one particle instantly influences the state of the other. Let's use an analogy. In the classical world, imagine a pair of gloves in two boxes. If you open one box and find a left glove, you know the other is the right one. That state was determined the moment the boxes were packed. But in the quantum world, the particles have no defined state until they are measured. They are both in a state of flux until you look. Physicists create entangled particles using a process called spontaneous parametric downconversion. By firing a high-energy laser at a special crystal, a single photon splits into two lower-energy photons. These twin photons emerge strictly linked to conserve energy and momentum. A common property we measure is spin. Think of it like a coin flip, but one that hasn't landed yet. If we measure one entangled particle and find it spinning up, we know with 100% certainty that its partner will be spinning down instantaneously. For a long time, scientists wondered if there were hidden instructions inside the particles. Physicist John Bell created a mathematical test to check this. Experiments have repeatedly proven Bell right. There are no hidden variables. The universe really is fundamentally non-local and connected. This leads to an amazing application called quantum teleportation. It is not about moving matter like in Star Trek. Instead, it allows us to transfer the precise quantum state of a particle to another distant particle, effectively copying its information perfectly across space. This is a game changer for computers. While classical computers use independent bits, quantum computers use entangled qubits. This allows them to process massive amounts of data simultaneously, offering exponential speedups for complex calculations. However, this connection is incredibly fragile. This is a problem known as decoherence. Heat, stray magnetic fields, or even a passing vibration can disrupt the entanglement, causing the system to crash back into classical behavior. Despite the challenges, entanglement is the key to the future. It is powering the development of unhackable quantum networks, a quantum internet, and sensors with precision we have never seen before. The spooky action is becoming a practical reality.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.